Imagine this, every dollar you earn is waiting for one instruction. The question is, what are you telling it to do? Most people send every dollar away the moment it arrives. They never expect it to come back with friends. The wealthy think differently. Before spending, they ask, can this dollar make me another dollar? It is that single question changes everything. It turns spending into strategy. Imagine hiring 100 employees who never sleep. That is exactly what invested money can become for you. Your paycheck should never have just one job. Every paycheck should create another paycheck.
This isn't about being rich today. It's about giving your future self more choices tomorrow. From today forward, don't just spend your money, put it to work, because the next lesson reveals why working harder alone rarely creates lasting wealth. Stay with me, because the next lesson explains why some people earn 6 figures every year, yet still struggle financially. You don't want to miss it. The smallest habits often lead to the biggest fortunes. Have you ever wondered why 2 people earn the same salary, yet one becomes wealthy while the other struggles? The answer is hidden in their daily choices. Saving just a little today may seem small, but over the years, those little choices become life-changing. Every coffee you don't buy, every unnecessary purchase you avoid, is another brick in your financial future. Wealth is rarely built overnight. It grows one smart decision at a time. Saving just a little today may seem small, but over the years, those little choices become life-changing. Successful people don't wait for motivation. They build habits that keep working even when they don't feel like it. The little things you do every day quietly decide where you'll be 5 years from now. Your future isn't created, it's created by thousands of small ones you make every single day. Saving just a little today may seem small, but over the years, those little choices become life-changing. Successful people don't wait for motivation. They build habits that keep working even when they don't feel like it. Start with one better choice today. Tomorrow, make another, because in the next lesson, you'll discover why your mindset can make or break your financial future. Before wealth changes, your mindset must. Every financial journey begins in the mind. 2 people can earn the same income, yet one builds wealth while the other stays trapped. The difference is how they think. Before wealth changes, your mindset must. Every financial journey begins in the mind. 2 people can earn the same income, yet one builds wealth while the other stays trapped. The difference is how they think. Before anyone becomes wealthy, something changes first, and it's not their bank account. It's their mindset. Every great financial journey begins in the mind. 2 people can earn the same income, live in the same city, and have the same opportunities, yet one builds wealth while the other stays trapped. The difference is how they think. A poor mindset says, I can't afford it. A wealthy mindset asks, what can I do today so I can afford it tomorrow? The questions you ask yourself every day quietly shape the life you'll live tomorrow. Change your questions, and you'll begin changing your future. Your greatest investment isn't in stocks, real estate, or cryptocurrency. It's the investment you make in yourself, your knowledge, your skills, and your character. Every book you read, every new skill you learn, every lesson you apply adds value that no one can ever take away from you. Successful people don't wait for opportunities. They prepare themselves so thoroughly that when opportunity arrives, they're already ready. Today, choose to think differently, because the life you imagine begins with the thoughts you believe. And in the next lesson, you'll discover why trying to impress people to stay broke. Today, choose to think differently, because the life you imagine begins with the thoughts you believe. And in the next lesson, you'll discover why trying to impress people may be the fastest way to stay broke. Don't leave yet. Lesson 4 reveals a hidden financial trap that silently steals the future of millions of people every single day. You may be caught in it without even realizing it. One of the fastest ways to stay broke is spending money to look rich. Real wealth is often quiet, while fake wealth demands attention. Many people buy expensive things they don't truly need with money they don't really have, just to impress people who aren't paying their bills. A luxury car may earn compliments today, but financial freedom rest of your life. Will this purchase make my future better? If the answer is no, they're comfortable saying no. The next time you're tempted to buy something just to impress others, ask yourself one question. Will this bring me closer to financial freedom? Because our next lesson reveals the powerful secret of paying yourself first. Lesson 5 reveals the simple habit that has helped countless people build wealth, even on an average income. It's a principle you can start using today. Don't confuse appearance with success. Some people look wealthy but are drowning in debt. Others look ordinary while quietly building lasting wealth. Every unnecessary purchase has a hidden cost. It's not just the money you spend, it's the opportunity you lose to save, invest, and grow. The richest people don't compete to impress others. They compete to become wiser, more disciplined, and more financially secure. We will continue in my next video. Thank you. Subscribe to Voice of Grandma today, and you will be glad you did.